Welcome. If you've ever wanted to rename a collection on Instagram, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, we'll walk through the updated steps so you can keep your saved posts neatly organized with just a few taps. First, open the Instagram app on your device. If you're anything like me, you'll appreciate how fast and clean the interface feels today, especially when you're juggling a lot of saved content. Start by tapping your profile icon in the bottom right corner to arrive at your personal feed and profile. From there, look to the top right corner and tap the menu. This opens a compact panel with several options that control your experience, but today we're focusing on your saved items. Tap Saved to enter the space where Instagram stores everything you've bookmarked. Organize by collections. Now you'll see a list of your collections. Tap Collections to view all of them in one place. Scroll to the specific collection you want to rename and tap on it. Inside the collection, you'll find the individual posts you saved, plus a few management options. Look for the three dots in the upper right corner and tap them to open the editing menu. From this menu, choose Edit Collection. This is where the magic happens. You'll see the current name of the collection at the top. Tap the name field, delete what's there, and type in your new preferred title. The best names are simple, descriptive, and easy to recognize at a glance, especially if you have several collections. After you've entered the new name, confirm your changes. The app will save the update automatically and you'll see the new title reflected at the top of the collection as soon as you go back to the main save screen. If you want to keep things tidy, take a moment to review other collections and consider a consistent naming system, perhaps using topics, dates, or project names so you can locate everything quickly later. And that's all there is to it. Renaming a collection takes just a few taps, but the payoff is a more organized Instagram library you can navigate in seconds. If you've got other Instagram tips you'd like to see, drop a comment and tell me which feature you want explained next. Thanks for watching.